Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok account through Instagram's direct messages. If you want to share your favorite TikTok accounts with your friends on Instagram, this guide is for you. Let's get started with the simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the account's page that you want to share. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by scrolling through your TikTok feed. Once you're on the account's page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon, and a menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select Instagram. This will redirect you to the Instagram app if you have it installed on your device. Step 4. Once you're in Instagram, you can choose to send the TikTok account link directly to someone. Tap on the Send button next to the receiver's name or username in your Instagram direct messages. Sharing a TikTok account through Instagram's direct messages allows you to easily share your favorite TikTok content with your friends on another popular social media platform. It's a great way to spread the joy of TikTok and connect with your friends through shared interests. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing TikTok accounts with your friends on Instagram.